Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we'll see how we can update financial details for an asset. Click on hamburger icon. Click on fixed assets. Click on asset inquiry. Click on task list or task pane. Now click on adjust assets. Now our asset number is 1071. Say search. Select the record and click on change financial details. From here, you can change the cost, the salvage value type, the depreciation method, the life of years. If you change the life of years, the depreciation may be impacted, the asset life and the depreciation may be impacted. Say for example, for 15 years, let's say the depreciation amount is 5,000. If you change the asset life for 10 years, the, the asset life for 10 years, the depreciation amount may reduce to 3,000 or 2,000 depending on the life of the years. Now say I want only 30 lakhs. I have updated that amount. Click on submit. So in this way you can change the asset. Now click on navigator. Now let us check the cost of the asset. Click on assets. Click on navigator. Click on asset inquiry. Search with your asset number, say 1071. Now hit search. Now you can see the cost of the asset is updated from 40 lakhs to 30 lakhs. Now click on home. This is how you can update the cost of the asset and the life of the asset. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.